Before we get started with this YouTube video, I need everybody to go subscribe to the channel and like these videos that's coming up. Cool unboxing, I'll say. So I guess this will be an introduction to our first show of Kicks Chronicles with Inspired. So I got a shipment in today. As you can see, we got black Oregon KD 16s that just came through. We got the Duke KD 16s that just came through, all exclusive PEs. We got the Yukon Husky KD 16s that just came through. Let's keep it flowing. Oregon KD 16s just came through. We got the University of Tennessee 16s that just came through. My alternate boxes, alternate size on the boxes so we could. We got another pair of Oregon 16s that just pulled up. Actually pretty fire. I think the Oregon PEs be the craziest out of the whole bunch. Them colorways always hit a little different. We got the Villanova KD 16s. These super fire also. I like them. Think them crank for show. We got another pair of Duke KD 16. Sit those, yeah. Okay, Gonzaga